I started putting carbon parts in my bike. And since I installed these carbon fiber handlebar and seat post, I heard that there are instructions on how you install them. You have to put a certain amount of torque in them so that you will not break them because they are softer than aluminum and other metals. So I purchased this from Shopee. It's the cheapest hex wrench I found, where you can see different Newton meters up to 12 from 0 to 12 Newton meters. So it comes with this very nifty design with all the hex you need in here. It's got T25, it's got H6, H5, H4, and H3 hex wrench. Okay, so you just get one of those heads, put it here, and then you can start to use it. So let's see if I'm gonna install a new let's say handlebar. So you tighten it. Upon reaching this part where it's already tight, now see what will happen. As you turn it a little more, that spindle will point to the right number of torque. So let's say you need 5 Newton meters of torque. Then tighten it a little bit more. There you go. So that's 5 Newton meter of torque. Pretty simple, easy to use. Honestly, I don't know how accurate it is, but at least I have a reference. Okay, that's it. That's the torque wrench, bike torque wrench from Shopee.